So Julius Malema has cleared some rumors, yes, because a lot of rumors have been smeared on social media. Ukuti he negotiated on the side when Floyd and others were negotiating, and he went to Ramaphosa. So he cleared those rumors, and he said that I have never negotiated for myself. I negotiated for Veronica Mente to be the Deputy Speaker in Parliament. I negotiated for Floyd to be the Finance Minister. And that was even before the actual negotiations. Uti, with the negotiations, we never got that far. Uti, one thing that I can say is a disagreement that we have is they said we must join the GNU. And I said, we can't join the GNU with the DA and the Freedom Front Plus in there. And they said, oh, they can go Floyd, and that's bang Floyd in a ban. And they said that, no, let's join. And the DA and the Freedom Front Plus are going to withdraw. Utumalema, my question was, if they don't withdraw, then what? Then what? Yes, I understand you are saying if we join, they are going to withdraw. But what if they don't withdraw? Then what? Utiaban, our political motivation has never been positions. So I think abanye ukupha ku EFF obviously go Floyd they want if bebe ku GNU bezofumana positions as ministers so bebecingela lonto but ke ukumalema yena is stuck with the principle and it's just a pity I won't be able to pull up this interview. Floyd Shivambu, just before the elections, he had an interview with David. If you search it, you're going to find it. He had an interview with David, the King David. But you'll find it. You just type interview Floyd and King David. And he said to Floyd, one thing about CIC, he never goes back on principle. If he says he's not going to do something, he is not, and he stands by it. Kwakusichu Floyd, he will not bend. That was before the elections. So truly, Malema yena didn't want to betray what they stand for. Just before Baba of money positions, Ramaphosa. So mhlambe Floyd wacinga, okay, fine, but now I have a future to secure. And being principled is not going to help me out. Hey, I want to read something now that I'm seeing quickly. There was a lot that was said. Like it's just so much to unpack. But Umalema also mentioned, Dubana, we have no progressive caucus in universities, which is what Sihle Lonzi also said. Uti, we have no progressive caucus in our communities. The EFF is independent. We are not in a partnership with MK. We are just a caucus in Parliament. In Parliament, we will still be a caucus because we need to work together. But outside of that, we are two parties competing. They are not our friends. They are not our friends. When we see them, we see an enemy. Kuchumalem. All right, it's good for him to make that line very clear so that we know where we stand. We are gonna, because I feel like on the ground as well, fighters don't know how to react when they see MK. Oh yeah, bon. So Utuwana, okay, another thing, Uti, and because we love the youth, Floyd Shivambu will be replaced by Snawo Tambo. Snawo is also very smart. He's been in the EFF for long, so I'm happy for him joining. So Ute Atumalema, you invite us to a fight, we accept it. So the battle lines have been drawn. Go. Hey! Uti, the mourning period is over. Uti, the mourning period is over. They've sent Bible verses and wara. It's done now. It's time for us to fight. And you must defend the EFF with your life. Hey! Uti, you moaned. You can't mourn forever. Today it ends the mourning period. Hey, Tonga. Yeah, okay guys, I don't want to make this video long. I think I'll make another video. I want to touch on Ndlozi because Malema touched on Ndlozi. Apparently, Ndlozi's wife liked the post. Kashivambu le made a sound decision.